Okana Meyi becomes the main chief of Iláyè Òkò. Upon arriving at Iláyè Òkò, he soon developed a close association with the town's senior diviners due to the fact that he accomplished for the town what they had been unable to achieve after several years of trying. One of these awos was named Òjíkútù Ògbédé Sòrún-Òrìn Gbèrè Káayé. This man advised him to make a sacrifice, a male goat to Esu, a ram to Ifa, a rabbit to the night, and a rooster to his head, as there was a chance that he would receive a promotion. He was also told to play a drum and dance outside his house. That day was the eve of the appointment of the town's main chief. Since he was a visitor, he was not seeking the chieftaincy, but he made the sacrifices anyway. After making the sacrifices, he gathered people to play the bongo and drums, gave uruke to his wives, and everyone danced until dawn. All the divine priests of the town came to participate in the dance. Early in the morning, it was concluded that he would be the next main chief of Iláyè Òkò, and there was joy and great celebration. After this, he recruited a group of subordinate Ifa priests who practiced the art of Ifa in his name.